Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be giving you a 360 exterior and interior tour on this Range Rover Sport V8 SVR in Estoril Blue, which is an absolutely stunning colour. Its next service is due in September 2022. If you'd like to inquire about this car, you can contact us on 01785 899 446. So we're going to start with the exterior first before heading inside for some of those high-tech features. On the bottom there we can see the SVR badge. As we take a look at the alloys now, this car has unique 22-inch SVR alloys with the blue calipers, which stand out very nicely against the black. Panning up the car, you can see the privacy glass in the rear. Taking a look at the back seats now. You can easily fold this middle seat down to create two cup holders for either passenger, or you could simply fold it back away to carry that fifth passenger. Moving to the boot now. This car has an electric boot, handy if your hands are full. This is also a very spacious boot, good for large suitcases if you're going on holiday. Moving to the front now, you can see the leather sport style seat with the SVR embossing, as well as the sliding panoramic roof, allowing all the natural light possible into the car. That's our exterior and interior tour done. We're going to head inside for some of those high-tech features. So to start off with, you have your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, which comes in handy in the cold winter months. You've also got your voice control button and your hands-free buttons. The seats in the front are also memory seats, meaning you can resume your natural driving position as soon as you get into the car. Taking a look at the screen now, you have a navigation system, as well as your DAB radio, your Bluetooth connectivity. This car also has reversing cameras, good for manoeuvring around in those tight spaces. This car also has ambient lighting, good for those long drives. It has an auto parking aid. You are also able to control the rear climate from this screen. The rear seats are also heated. Taking a look at the climate control, the front climate control is a dual climate control system, meaning both you and your passenger can be set at comfortable temperatures. The seats in the front are also heated. You also have two cup holders, which are nicely hidden away to keep the aesthetics of this car. You also have a nice centre console storage compartment. However, this storage compartment enables you to keep your drinks in there to keep them cold whilst on those long journeys. Thank you for watching this video. All our approved used cars come with a 12-month warranty, as well as 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. We offer different finance packages as well as test drives. If you'd like to book a test drive or inquire about this car, you can contact us on 01785 899 446.